Hello friends, today I will tell you how to see live weather update through your phone or desktop computer. Stay with me, my name is Gaurav and you're watching. If you have to find out at which place it's raining, air is moving and clouds are hovering, then you should follow this step. Click on Start button, select Google Chrome and type live weather satellite. This is that website called zoom.earth.com. Here you can see live updated weather through satellite and many more things. Let's click. This is a website with the help of which you can view live weather updates through satellite image of the earth in a fast zoomable map. It helps you to show you real-time weather images, rainfall, radar map and animated wind map. This website can track cyclone, storm, winds, natural hazards. This website updates itself within 15 minutes with images and information. At the left top corner you will get more options. Click on it. The first option is a live satellite. The live satellite is a near real-time imaginary of geostationary satellite. Second option we have a HD satellite, which is a high-definition imaginary updates every day since 2000. In this option, all the images will be still with high definition but not live. The white area you can see that is a cloud area, and opposite side, which is a Rajasthan, there is no cloud. Let's move to the third option, that is a base map. You will not get any cloud, which means that cloudless map. With this option you will not see any cloud over any country anywhere. We can now easily see the names of all your countries and their boundaries. Even we can see distance between two different countries. We can see greenery and snow easily. Next option we have, that is wind. You can see very little and tiny substance moving here and there. This option helps you to see direction of air. We can see wind is going which side and coming from which side. Also you can see about state as well as country, even whole earth. If you want to disable this function, so go to the option and click the wind. As you can see, wind substance disappeared. With the help of this option you can see which places is it raining today, and it also help you to find or track which states have the chance of raining today also. You can see out of state or out of the country also. Next option we have, that is a fire and heat. This option tells you to see which country, which state or which place is getting the most hot wind going on. Even also know which place has become more hot place. This is a little dot in the red color known as hot area. Through this we can identify the area of a particular place. If you want to disable this function, press the same button. Next option is label. Place, name, boundaries and countries. Right now it is enabled. You can disable also. All the labels from each and every country is removed. It looks like a simple map. There is no cloud. There is no line of coastal. You need to enable it, so click the same button. Let's disable this function for a while. The next option is a storm track. Help you to find out cyclone storms around the world. You can see on this direction there is a storm moving at the speed of 30 km per hour, and we can see similar the rest of the other storms also. You can disable this function by pressing the same option, enable and disable simultaneously. The next option we have day-night line. This means that a boundary line between day and night. As you can see, there's a line passing through the one area to next area. It's mean a day and night. If you want to disable this function, press the same option, or you want to enable it, press the same option. Next option is crosshair. Guide cross in the middle of the view. As you can see, this plus sign is a symbol of a crosshair. If you want to enable or disable, you have to press the same option. Let's move to the first option, that is a live satellite. It is very important because it gives you the complete weather information live. Where is the weather on the whole earth? All information is available. Now let's try how does animation works. As you can see, there is a play button. Also can change date and time simultaneously. Let's play. It will tell you through the animation that a climate has changed within 24 hours. It will take a few seconds. As you can see, animation has started. You can see and understand how much changes has occurred in the climate within 24 hours. Let's find out a particular place. On the top you can see the search button is there and you can search particular place. For an example, I type Gwalior. Click on it and you will get more information about that particular place. Clearly we can see this, how many clouds are hovering over Gwalior. There are other areas around Gwalior that can also be seen. Now let's search location. Where do you live? Your location also can be tracked. There's a small button. If you click it, this will ask you to allow the location. This will automatically find your location and it will tell you the weather. Now let's search how many storms going on around the world. Now as you can see, the latest storm going on, and we have a live 3 views and other storms also in the earth that also you can see. Taukete is a latest storm that around Indian coastal near to Mumbai and Gujarat. If you click it, you will get more information. This is the area of a cloud is now. You can play it what happened recently in these hours, that also you can see. Even there is a one chart which is here, you can see the date and time as well as the wind speed and the pressure simultaneously. Let's search storm archives. As you can see, there is a button. If you click it, you will get more list about cyclone, typhoon and storm with their names, and yearly you can change also. Let's click on A to Z. This option will help you to show all entire storm around the world. Last option is date, that you can see year wise how many storms had gone past time. So all the information around the world, each and every particular storm and cyclone. Now let's go for the setting, how you can change. This is a setting pop-up and you can see the time zone, which is a local and UTC. That also you can change according to your requirement. Next is we have a clock format, 12 o'clock and 24 hours format, that also you can select. Next is coordinates, that is the DMS and decimal. That 2 options we have, that also you can change according to your requirement. Next option is measurement, that also you can select kilometer, miles and nanometer. This option is pretty well and I like to kilometer. Wind speed also you can set according to your want. Next option is animation duration. You can create animation with the help of these options, 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours or 24 hours, as long as you want. Next option we have, that is share. You can share your location, you can share a particular place through LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp or email. Next option we have, that is a measure distance. Now with the help of this option, you can measure the distance from one place to another. As you can see, the dot is applied. Now let's calculate the distance from one place to another. First of all, let's take an example. Zoom in. Now I want to calculate Bhopal to Indore, how much distance. So very simple, you have to enable this option, click on it and drag this point to the Indore. Now you can see there's a straight line. That straight line is a path, and I want to go to the next target and double click, hit the mouse button, and you can see 275.8 km the distance from this route. Next target, I would like to calculate the distance from Gwalior to Morena. So I will select this option and hit the button and drag to the Morena and leave the cursor by double click. As you can see, the distance 37 km around I can get. Or if you like to calculate the big distance from the Agra to Indore, you have to simply drag the line and you can see 552 km. This is a measurement. Next option is measure area. That is very important. Through this you can calculate the area of a particular state. If I like to click on Rajasthan and I'll select the only boundaries, approximately the kilometer square, the area which I am going to calculate around the boundary of Rajasthan. Through this option you can approximately calculate the area of particular state or the area of a particular field. At the last you can see there's a wind animation and plus and minus, zoom in and zoom out. So these are the options which is very essential. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this information? If you like, then share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel.